The endless expanse of the cosmos makes every second count. But what if slumber slips away, even on the lunar surface? Picture this: you're a space traveler, delicately suspended in a zero-gravity environment encased by the immeasurable vastness of universe. The stillness is overwhelming, and the lack of gravity makes it a struggle to find a cozy position. Sleep, a crucial element of our terrestrial routine, turns into a formidable challenge out in space. It's not merely about physical recuperation. Mental health is also at play. Without the familiar cradle of gravity, our bodies and minds grapple to achieve the revitalizing rest they need. Imagine trying to sink into sleep with the awe-inspiring spectacle of our home planet suspended in the heavens right outside your window. It's a scene that's tough to overlook and even tougher to detach from. Hence, for astronauts, the test isn't only about uncovering the unexplored, it's about conquering the quotidian, like securing a peaceful sleep amidst the stellar expanse. For astronauts, sleep is fundamental for physical and mental health. But in the uncompromising conditions of space, securing restful sleep can be daunting. Despite the challenges, astronauts persevere, finding ways to adapt and overcome. They understand that the human body, while remarkably adaptable, still requires certain basics to function optimally, sleep being one of them. In the peculiar environment of space, where the usual cues for sleep are absent and the body's circadian rhythm can go haywire, astronauts often resort to various methods to ensure they get the rest they need. Some utilize sleep aids, like specially designed sleeping bags that create a sense of weight and help them anchor to the walls of the spacecraft. Others turn to the practice of meditation, using deep breathing and mindfulness techniques to calm their minds and induce sleep. An astronaut once shared, "I visualize myself on a serene beach, the sound of waves crashing, replacing the silence of space. This mental imagery helps me drift off." Whether it's using sleep aids or meditation techniques, they're constantly innovating to ensure they're at their best for the mission ahead. Because in the end, even amidst the vastness of space, a good night's sleep is the foundation for exploration and discovery. Now, imagine the cognitive demand of operating complex machinery, conducting scientific experiments, and making crucial decisions, all while floating in zero gravity millions of miles away from home. Astronauts don't have the luxury of a bad night's sleep. Sleep, as we know, is critical for cognitive function and physical health. In space, this is even more paramount. The success of space missions hinges on the sharpness and well-being of astronauts, and this is directly tied to their sleep quality. Overcoming the sleep obstacles in space isn't just about comfort, it's about ensuring that astronauts are at their best when they're pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and discovery. The ability to adapt, innovate, and conquer sleep in space is a testament to human resilience and ingenuity. It underscores our capacity to dream, explore, and reach for the stars. For astronauts, the journey to the stars begins with a restful night's sleep.